Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile accessibility setting. And today video title is guys how to turn on power button to end call setting in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to turn on Infinix mobile power button to end call setting. So then how to turn on one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, on your Infinix mobile friends, scroll it, and friends you can on your accessibility setting, on your special function setting. So on your special function setting, after in special function friends, scroll it, last option friends, you will find your accessibility setting, one tap here. After friends, accessibility setting, scroll it. Friends, you want to on talk back switch as setting. Friends, you can see select to speak mode. You want to use friends select to speak mode. So friends, you can on select to speak, and how to use you can read here. So friends, you want to change your screen color. So friends, you can change your screen color, you can use it. Current version setting. Friends, you want to change phone icon color, so you can on color correction, and friends your phone icon color will change. So guys, I will off color correction setting. So when scroll it friends, you can see power button to end call setting here. So from right side icon friends, you can see tap here, power button to end call setting is on. So friends, you want to cut your call. So friends, you can cut your call, press power button and you can cut call. And friends, you don't want to cut call with power button setting, so you can turn off. And friends, now you cannot cut call to press power button. So friends, you want to use power button to end call setting, you can turn off from here, and you can turn off, you can turn on from here, and you can turn off from here. Friends, mono audio, if you in mono audio friends, you can see audio balance right side left side, you can adjust. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.